गाइस रात भर का ना सो के सुबह 5 बजे उठ के स्लीप डिप्राइव होके डिहाइड्रेटेड होके आ गए हैं हम वीडियो बनाने। एंड गेस करो हमारा प्राइम कंसर्न क्या है इस वक्त?
ये सब तुम क्या बकवास कर रही हो? मैं अभी सुबह उठी हूँ 5 बजे ये वीडियो बनाने। मेरी प्रायोरिटी की चीज़ है ये। मेरे को, मैं किसी बंदे को प्रायोरिटाइज ना करूँ जितना मैंने इस वीडियो को प्रायोरिटाइज करा है बनाने के लिए। मेरी मेहनत है 5 बजे मैं उठी हूँ।
रियल
मुझे देख के लग रहा है कि मेरी आंखों में नींद है। सोना है यार। ये गड्ढे
ये तो मैंने पढ़ के बनाए हैं।
रियल तो बीटेक स्टूडेंट भी हूँ यार।
कमेंट्स। गाइस हमारा प्राइम कंसर्न इस वक्त क्या है वो हर्षिता बताएगी।
प्राइम कंसर्न हमारा ये है कि हम लव लाइफ में स्टक्ड हो चुके हैं। मैं बताती हूँ।
हम लव लाइफ में स्टक नहीं हुए।
ओह हाँ,
हम बताएंगे कैसे आजकल लोग लव लाइफ में स्टक हो रहे हैं।
ओह हाँ रियली या तो हमारी बहुत ढेर सारी दोस्तें हैं जिनके हमने एक्सपीरियंसेस ले रखे हैं, लाइक सुन रखे हैं,
सुने हैं।
हाँ। और हम उनसे उनकी डेटा से कुछ कंक्लूजन आपके लिए लाए हैं सो दैट यू कैन अप्लाई इन योर लाइफ एंड सेव योर एस
ट्रू
फ्रॉम दोज गाइज। ठीक है तो
और
हम
गर्ल्स बिकॉज वी आर नॉट होमोफोबिक।
या ठीक है तो द थिंग इज कि सबसे पहले तो हम क्या करेंगे कि आई विल आस्क यू 5 रेड फ्लैग्स तुझे लगता है कि तूने जो जाने हैं अपने दोस्तों के थ्रू, एंड आई विल टेल कि जो मुझे पता है।
फेयर इनफ।
एंड देन ये आपको दिमाग में रखना है कि दिस हैव टू बी देयर एंड लाइक यू नो यू हैव टू कैच दिस थिंग इफ यू गेट stuck with someone like that. ठीक है।
Identify those red flags and like, girl, you have to like run,
Yeah.
catch the first flight,
Yep.
or just fly. I'd say fly.
Yep.
Just jump off a cliff,
Don't
but
even
don't
run.
talk to
Fly,
that guy.
fly, fly, bro, fly. Okay. तो 5 मैं बताती हूँ,
Sure.
फिर तू बताइयो।
हाँ
ठीक है। तो नंबर 1, he texts you or calls you after 10:30.
girl.
Okay. Even not 10:30, 9. 10:30 is like very much. 9. Guys, there are few guys जो कि रात के 9 बजे के बाद या 10:30 बजे के बाद आते हैं ऑनलाइन।
और I'd like to add कि तुम्हारी फर्स्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन जो हो रही है या इनिशियल कॉन्वर्जेशन जो भी तुम्हारी हो रही है, फॉर इंस्टेंस फर्स्ट 3-4 कॉन्वर्जेशन तुम्हारी सारी इस टाइम के बाद हुई
इस टाइम के बाद ही होंगी
ऑनलाइन।
ऑनलाइन तो
या फिर वो तुम्हें कॉल कर रहे हैं।
एग्जैक्टली। सो बी वेरी अवेयर ऑफ इट। ठीक है। दिस इज़ लाइक अ काइंड ऑफ ट्रैप फॉर यू। एंड अगर तुम थोड़े से भी वनरेबल हो या हो जाते हो बाई चांस, सो यू गोना स्टक। ठीक है। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज यू कैन जस्ट हैव गुड स्लीप शेड्यूल एंड स्लीप एट 9 at sharp। इससे 4 चीज़ें होंगी एंड आई एम गोना टेल यू कि 4 चीज़ें क्या फिक्स हो सकती हैं। सबसे पहले तो ये जो इनके आँख के नीचे गड्ढे हैं ना, वो चले जाएंगे। मेरे आँख के भी नीचे है नो डाउट, वो चले जाएंगे। सेकेंड, अगर तुम अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रखोगे, ढंग से स्किन केयर करोगे, तो स्किन विल बी वेरी गुड। पेरेंट्स से कोई बकचोदी नहीं होगी तुम्हारे। पेरेंट्स विल बी वेरी मच हैप्पी कि यू नो हमारा बच्चा सुधर गया है एंड लाइक एवरीथिंग।
रिश्तेदारों के लिए मिसाल बनोगे।
हाँ, ऑल्सो तुम्हारा फूड डाइट एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन, तो यू वोंट हैव एनी
तुम टॉक्सिक लाइफ अवॉइड कर सकते हो।
एंड या फिफ्थ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, तुम अपने आप को एक बहुत बड़े डेंजर से बचा सकते हो,
एक ट्रॉमा से बचा
सकते हो। एग्जैक्टली। ठीक है। सो सेकंड तू बताएगी।
तो सेकंड रेड फ्लैग आइड से वुड बी कि अगर वो तुमसे सिर्फ अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से बात करते हैं। फॉर इंस्टेंस कि अगर कभी तुम्हारा मन है कि चलो ठीक है, मैं समझ रही हूँ कि कभी कभी हो सकता है कि देयर कैन बी इंस्टेंसेस व्हेन दे आर जेन्युइनली बिजी। ठीक है, यू ऑब्वियसली डोंट वांट अ पर्सन जो 24 घंटे वेला बैठा है। But then there can be instances where you feel like कि that person is secretly giving their time to somebody else while they pretend to be busy for you. So you have, and you get the vibe, girl. It's always about the vibes. So please, 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 and irrespective of the gender, ठीक है? I know girls who do this as well. Like they just pretend to be busy. Please, please, please.
Did you just?
Please stay aware. I'd consider this as a red flag.
Okay.
Moving on.
So next is like it's like they will give you excuses, a lot
एक
of.
सेकेंड, जय माँ लक्ष्मी बहुत ज़रूरत है. हाँ.
Okay. They will give you a lot of excuses, you know, मैं busy था या फिर something like that, and you know they will just blabber. Like ये बहुत बार होता है.
False excuses
Yeah.
or blaming others.
False hopes, and अगर
Hopes
तुम्हारी
तो चलो दूसरी चीज़ ही होगी, but excuses बनाना.
तुम्हारी गलती नहीं भी है
हम्म.
तो भी तुम like you know like they will victimize themselves.
Gaslight.
Yeah, they will gaslight you. ठीक है, they will victimize themselves and they will gaslight you, and like they will
Don't
make
be
these.
the Jew to the German guys. You don't have to be gaslit.
Exactly.
No.
And यार मैंने तो यही सीखा यार, विलन बनने से मत डरो. I know लड़कियों को बनने में प्रॉब्लम होती है,
She said
but
it.
प्लीज़ बन जाओ विलन, मैं तो कहती हूँ. क्योंकि इफ़ यू आर लाइक यू नो कि यार मैं गलत नहीं कर सकती, आई एम सो गुड पर्सन एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, तुम्हारा कटना तय है ब्रो. अगर तुम ऐसे सोच रहे हो तो रिमेंबर इट्स ऑल अबाउट यू, एंड अगर इफ इट इज़ नॉट मेकिंग यू हैप्पी देन व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ इट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट.
True. She said it. So basically, I'd say fourth, no? हाँ. So fourth red flag I'd say would be somebody who talks a lot, as she said, blabbers a lot, but कुछ ground reality पे नहीं आ रहा है. For instance, वो तुमसे हमेशा एक होता है ना कि सी तुम कितना ही किसी भी ऑनलाइन रिलेशनशिप को फ्रेंड्स के एक्सपीरियंस से जो सीखा है कि तुम कितना ही मतलब किसी ऑनलाइन रिलेशनशिप को इम्पोर्टेंस दे दो या आपने जो भी कुछ भी किसी भी चीज़ को इम्पोर्टेंस दो कि हाँ मेरी टेक्स्ट पे बात हो रही है, कॉल पे बात हो रही है, बट अगर वो तुम्हारे सेम सिटी में है एंड वो इंसान तुमसे मिलने उतना नहीं आ रहा, अगर मिल भी रहा है तो वो मीट्स वैसी नहीं हो रही है जैसे तुम्हें पसंद है. जैसे वो तुम्हें डेट पे ले जा रहे हैं जो कि तुम्हें लग रहा है कि हाँ वेल प्लान्ड है, या तुम्हें एक दिन दो दिन पहले ही वो पूछ रहे हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है क्या संडे को डू यू वांट गो टू दिस कैफ़े या डू यू वांट गो टू दिस पार्क, एनीथिंग जो तुम्हें लग रहा है कि इम्पल्सिव नहीं है. समझ रहे हो कि यू शुड फील कि ग्राउंड रियलिटी पे दिस पर्सन इज़ एक्चुअली प्लानिंग हिज डे विद यू और फॉर यू. सो that is something which will genuinely make you happy rather than him calling you randomly at 1 a.m. and being like, hey, what's up?
Makes
So,
sense. It's
no.
like when they are in need, then they call you.
Yeah. Not past 10:30 girls. There can be instances where you talk to him after 10:30, or if you're in a relationship that's fine, but don't entertain people in a situationship or those things कि वो तुम्हें कभी भी कॉल कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, and they're just talking to you, wasting your time, and then they'll be gone, because then in the end of the day you'll be a thing, no, which they only use when they are in need. So you don't want that, obviously.
Okay, so next point is कि I actually hate this point. It's like you know when they don't talk about you to your friends and don't introduce you to their friends. Like if it is like if you're like I'm not saying यार कि एकदम ही serious, if you are into something like that तभी होना चाहिए. It's like you know you when you're seeing someone, even like for if it is casual then it's okay, then it's fine. But if you're seeing someone, like you are actually into someone, so you got this urge to like introduce that person to your favorite people. Like, see, there are a lot of people, like we girls love to do this thing. Like when we get to know someone, we immediately talks about this person ki, see, this is my friend and stuff. And I guess if that person is genuinely into you and like really likes you, I don't think so there would be anyone who won't let you introduce to the other person they are into, like the kind of friendship they have and the friends they have. So it's a red flag if they are not doing it. And also if they are not posting you on Instagram, like even if it is a soft launching.
Good. That is like twice today you have used that word soft launching. Like there's this third friend of ours who was just sharing her instances with her now ex-boyfriend, that he never used to post her, but there was this time when he posted her, she was happy, but there was this very soft,
launching.
small
Soft
picture of her
launching.
in the collage, and she just said that he was soft launching you. And then, like, yeah, if they are soft launching you, and please, I don't want that word in my vocabulary, but like, okay,
Okay.
fair
So,
enough.
it's, even if it is that, it's not good, because it's like they're like, they want to post you, but for the sake कि तुम्हें चाहिए वो चीज,
तुम्हें दिखा रहे कि
तुम्हें
हाँ भाई
दिखा
कर
रहे,
दिया,
तुम्हारे
खुश
पे
हो जाओ।
एहसान कर रहे हैं वो।
मैं तो करता हूँ, मैंने
करता हूँ,
अतवार
हाँ।
को किया था तुम्हें
हाँ,
पोस्ट,
हाँ मैंने तो
बोलना
करा
चाहता
था,
है तू डिम्पी,
बट वो ऑब्वियस नहीं लग रहा है
हाँ।
टू द पीपल whoever the audience is, like जो भी देख रहे हैं, the viewers, ठीक है, तो that's a big red flag, yeah.
And then this is something that obviously is genuinely derived from somebody who is very close to me, and somebody who is really elder to me. This is her experience, that obviously we are not in an age where we'll get married or stuff, but like especially when you're in your early 20s, not like 20, 21, but like once you're like 23, 24, this age group, and if they're talking to you and they're not introducing you to their relatives, I'm not saying that they should straight up introduce you to their parents, but like they should genuinely introduce you to someone like their sister, their brother, or some cousin, or somebody who's authentically related to their blood. Because girl, like what are you doing if not pursuing someone seriously at 24, at 25? Like your choice completely, but us Indian girls, we do really want some serious stuff at that age, right? So make sure that, and सेम थिंग को अगर मैं थोड़ा ऐसे यंगर वर्जन में लाइक हमारे एज ग्रुप में लेके आऊँ, मेक श्योर दे आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग यू टू देयर फ्रेंड्स, एंड बिकॉज यू विल इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू, मतलब you will introduce them to your friends, right? You will tell your best friend, or you will tell your sister if you're comfortable, or brother if you're comfortable, that hey, I'm talking to this person, right? Whatever, blah blah person I'm talking to, and he's all these things, and he's so much into me. And you do tell people that you're happy, and you show their picture or anything, but like that person, they just treat you like you're the secret, and you don't have to be somebody's dirty secret.
Yeah,
You're not.
you don't deserve it, cutie.
Yeah, private. You keep things in your relationship private. You don't keep your relationship private, right? You deserve much more than that, especially when you're not 14 and in 9th standard, right? So that, and yeah,
Okay.
all.
Okay, so another one is like when the person you're talking to is like, when you're being upset over something and they have this audacity to come up with something else and they get upset about it, and now you have two things to do. Like, you have to talk to them in a proper way, you have to keep your things aside emotionally, like, okay, this person is upset now and I have to, like, I have to clear things, I messed it up. So that's, I guess, very much disappointing, because it's like, instead of getting a reassurance, instead of listening from them, you get to do the same thing you wanted for yourself. It's like, they're just like, what आप पे थ्रो करते हैं जो भी आपको चाहिए. Like it's very big red flag. Like अगर ये किसी में भी है तो just run please.
As in, like, I'd say कि somebody who's just making you accountable for something that they have done, right?
Something
Yeah.
you don't have to feel sorry about.
You don't have to feel sorry for feeling sorry.
Yeah.
It's like somebody's apologizing to you. That brings us to our next one, which is like somebody who just gaslights you a lot.
Yeah.
Like
guess,
in
you
ways
know-
कि हाँ, I'm sorry for the way you feel
yeah.
hurt.
You know, there are
Like-
some people who just say sorry and like they don't do anything about it. They just say it. Like, you know, just
And like in a way they say sorry, like, I'm so sorry that
you went
got
through
hurt.
this.
Yeah, you went through this.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck? So no, you're not entertaining any of this.
Yeah. Until and unless he or she is not making a right effort
Hmm.
for that whatever shit they did to you,
Hmm.
don't fall for it, and just rely on words, bro. Don't just don't.
True.
Yeah.
What she said. She said it.
I always say it, bro.
So basically you red flags बहुत simple होते हैं. You don't have to basically go a lot deeper into it. You just have to stay on the surface, scratch the surface, and you will be able to find out what the person really wants. Just ask them few questions. Like, don't be scared to ask these questions, because आप जितना डरोगे ना वो चीज़ बाद में उतनी लेट से आपके सामने आती है और आती ही है.
And you will do that thing later on.
Later on. So
तो
just
इतना-
ask them
yeah.
these questions ki what do you want from this relationship. Like, I'm not attached to you right now, but I know that if we keep talking continuously like we do, I know I'll get attached. So do you actually want to do something about it, या फिर मुझे ऐसे edge पे ही छोड़ दोगे. So just ask the basic questions जो होते हैं, जो you are wise enough to know what questions I'm talking about. So you just have to ask those questions to that person and just make sure he answers them and you're good to go. Intentions. You have to make sure that he is the person with the correct intention. You're not wasting your time on somebody's bigda aulad. Please.
True.
So, yeah, exactly. And I don't know. Let us know if you want us to talk about something else, because I think it pretty much sums it all up.
I have few things to say.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So one more point I really wanna add this ki, you know, the girlies have this thing with them, you know, like ki, I can't be like this. I have to be very much, like, you know, a kind of person who can't hurt them or whatever. Okay, so they have this thing, and like a lot of people have this issue of fixing another person. The
Oh my
thing
God.
is, like, you know, it's a very big red flag. Like a lot of people.
Thank you for including this one.
A lot
girls.
of
No.
people say it like, you know, I just want to fix people. Like, bro, you're not fixed.
I can
yourself.
help him go through this.
No, she can't, and you
I can
can't
change
help.
him.
Yeah, you can't change her or him, and vice versa. And it's like, you know, some people just have this urge to do this because, like, you know, they are just,
Fix me girls और fix me boys बनने
They're
की कोई
just-
ज़रूरत नहीं है.
you know, like उनकी ऐसी कंडीशनिंग हो जाती है sort of. It's like a issue thing, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा red flag है. If
You cannot fix somebody's bipolar disorder.
yeah, obviously, you know, like, even if you're someone who needs to be fixed, so go to therapist. Like,
Just let them know that you need
that
therapy,
you need to
please.
be, yeah. Let them know, and like let them know. Don't rush in, and like don't haunt them ki boo ये मेरे साथ ये issues है. Like, just let them know, and like
And also
See what
be
happens.
aware. मतलब दूसरों की तरफ आप कितना भी
Yeah.
fingers point out कर लो.
yeah.
कोई भी person अगर narcissistic है, ठीक है, we did not include as a red flag
Yay!
narcissist person,
Yeah.
because I think ये basic होना चाहिए. And then all the things we said were basic. So अगर कोई narcissist है, उस इंसान की मैं कहूँगी 50% गलती है, 50% आपकी है, बिकॉज आप एक ईजी होस्ट बन रहे हो उसके लिए, राइट?
रियल
तो डोंट लेट सच पीपल फीड ऑन यू, डोंट ट्राई टू फिक्स देयर एंगर इशू एंड डोंट ट्राई टू फिक्स देम ट्राइंग टू hamper your mental peace. So please take care of yourself. Don't go for words, go for actions. चीज़ें जितनी IRL रख सकते हो outside of the bedroom रख सकते हो, please रखो, because you are gonna regret it. Because girls, you always do. So I don't know a single girl जिसने बहुत ज़्यादा रशिन किया हो, जिसने बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप में गिवन कर दिया हो और वो आउटकम उसका अच्छा लेके निकल गई उस रिलेशनशिप से.
हाँ, and even those girls
Yeah.
who do casual and shits like that,
It's
so
your
they
choice.
have it's their choice, but I've seen most of people like they have this heartbreak thing, or like they go through something, they're emotionally unavailable at some point, they get frustrated and then they get into this, like it's not like कि oh आज तो मैं मतलब casual ही start करूँगी, आज ही dating शुरू करिए. It doesn't work like that. With girls it doesn't, at least I can say that.
I think so. And especially if you're somebody who's into casuals, don't let him try to change that. He's not special.
Yeah.
Especially if he has any qualities जो हमने बताई ऊपर.
Yeah.
ठीक है. He is not special. Don't let him change your thing कि अरे नहीं मैं बदल जाऊँगा, अरे नहीं तुम ये चीज़ यहीं पे छोड़ के क्यों जा रही हो, let me work on myself. एंड ऑल्सो ये जो ओपन एंडिंग्स देके जाते हैं लड़के कि अभी मैं सुनो रेडी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन अगर मैं कल को रेडी हो गया तो मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे पास ही आऊँगा.
No.
तो आप वो बस स्टॉप मत बनिए, ठीक है? बस आगे गई
आप ना चलाइए, चलते रहिए, ट्रेन पकड़िए, बस को छोड़िए.
किसी का रेलवे स्टेशन
आप
मिलने की
ट्रेन भी
ज़रूरत
मत
नहीं है.
पकड़िए, आप ट्रेन भी मत पढ़िए, आप फ्लाई करिए. यू वांट टू फ्लाई. एयरपोर्ट पे भेजो.
I think it's a point we end this video. Girls, it's just that see, we have been around women. I think we have always had girlfriends. So especially, I think it's the same with you as well. You have always been more around women. And जितने भी मेल फ्रेंड्स हमारे रहे हैं, they also follow girlhood. so it's always that whenever anybody in a gang is going through a breakup, we go to them and they give us their male opinions. ठीक है कि what that guy might be thinking about. So जितना male opinion भी हमें मिला है, it's always like if he wanted to he would. ठीक है, it's not like if he could, if he wanted to he would. Yeah. So just stop making excuses for him. If he is not making excuses for himself, he just said what he wanted to and he left.
And
So
stop being delusional, girls. कोई नहीं चिट्ठी लिख के भेजेगा तुम्हें.
having expectations is fine. You can obviously expect. It's not like you cannot expect anything from anyone, but sure.
Talk about it to your bestie and she will write a good letter for you instead. Yeah.
So basically, yeah, just you know what, you have to also keep in mind that especially if you are in college, and if we talk specifically about college and school, because I know that our audiences are going to differ. Girls who are in school, like teenagers, जो specifically teenagers होते हैं, ठीक है? एंड कॉलेज में आई वुडेंट से कि टीनेजर्स ही होते हैं, बिकॉज आई थिंक फर्स्ट ईयर के बाद तो नहीं होता है कोई भी. इन फर्स्ट ईयर में भी सारे टीनेजर्स नहीं होते हैं.
Yeah.
सो आइड से कि मोर ऑफ एन अर्ली 20s का ग्रुप होता है आपका कॉलेज में. सो आइड से कि जो एक स्कूल का ग्रुप होता है, उनके लिए जो डेटिंग लाइफ होती है उसके रूल्स टोटली डिफरेंट होते हैं वर्सेस जो कॉलेज की डेटिंग लाइफ होती है. यू कैन नॉट अप्लाई सेम रूल्स एवरीवेयर.
You have to learn.
यू लर्न दिस द हार्ड वे.
Yeah.
ठीक है, बिकॉज स्कूल में आई थिंक पीपल आर मोर इनोसेंट.
Yeah.
they are more naive, they tend to make very innocent mistakes. And college mein bhai, it's so fucking bizarre. And yeah, I mean it keeps going, down. जो bar होता है वो यहाँ नीचे ही जाता रहता है
Yeah.
एज यू कीप ग्रोइंग. तो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़, अगर आप अपनी ग्रोइंग एज में हो तो अपने बार्स और ज़्यादा ऊपर करो, अपने स्टैंडर्ड्स, अपने वॉल और ज़्यादा ऊपर करो, रैदर देन अपने गार्ड्स को गिराना. आप उसको और ज़्यादा ऊंचे करो. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप डेट मत करो, आप रिलेशनशिप्स में मत जाओ, आप कुछ मत करो, but please choose the right person, because a wrong person can hamper so many things, especially at this age when you have to do your assignments, when you have to give
Yeah.
exams, when you have to build your life. The wrong person will eat up on your soul. So don't let anyone do that to you. You are really precious. And please focus on yourself first, then focus on somebody else. And yeah, that is it, I guess. That is it, right? That is it for the video. And let us know if you want us to talk about something else. If you have come up so far, I think you liked the video. So please leave a review down in the comments. Bye bye.
Bye bye.